And if you understand, we're heading out the door. Just once, can we figure out when we keep doing wrong? Why we never last for every long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Make the magic last for more than just one night. If we could just get through it, I know we could break through it. I gave my all, but I think my all might have been too much. Cause Lord knows we're not getting anywhere. Seems we're always blowing whatever we got going. And it seems at times we all we got, we haven't got a prayer. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why the good times never last for long? Where we're going wrong. Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. I know you could break through it if we could just get through it just once. I want to understand why it always comes back to goodbye. Why can we get ourselves in hand? And I need to want another.
Ayan, low power na, yan mo na. Tapos na. Ayan. Pwede na kuha na.